100% tomato juice is loaded with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. But some brands contain high levels of sodium and added sugars, which can increase the calorie content. Tomato juice is a popular beverage that provides a wide variety of vitamins, minerals, and potent antioxidants. It's particularly rich in lycopene, a powerful antioxidant with impressive health benefits. However, some believe that tomato juice may not be as healthy as whole tomatoes due to the high sodium content found in certain brands. This article discusses the potential health benefits and downsides of tomato juice. Highly nutritious. Tomato juice is a popular drink, made from the juice of fresh tomatoes. Though you can buy pure tomato juice, many popular products such as V8 combine it with the juice of other vegetables like celery, carrots, and beets. Here is the nutrition information for 1 cup, 240 ml, of 100% canned tomato juice. As you can see, tomato juice is highly nutritious and packs in many important vitamins and minerals. For example, drinking just 1 cup, 240 ml, of tomato juice nearly covers your daily needs for vitamin C and fulfills 22% of your vitamin A requirements in the form of alpha and beta carotenoids. Carotenoids are pigments that are converted into vitamin A in your body. This vitamin is essential for healthy vision and tissue maintenance. These carotenoids